Welcome to Decor Shows, the ultimate way to discover new design trends, research, and products to complete your projects. Subscribe now for a daily dose of inspiring design ideas. Decor Shows, your creative space.
In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best bathroom backsplashes for your home. Hi, my name is Naha, and today we're talking about bathroom backsplashes. You know that people are really into renovation these days, and it's not just kitchens anymore. Now everyone wants their bathrooms looking great too. So I'm going to show you some of the best design ideas out there so you can pick one that will work with your space. Consider the style of your bathroom tile for your backsplash. Not too long ago, you only really had a choice between subway tile and regular ceramic tiles for your backsplash. But these days there are so many more options. You can get glass mosaics, stone grids and panels, even metal strips to create a backsplash that pops in your bathroom. For example, this kitchen has a clear glass backsplash that really stands out against the white subway tile. The result is a sleek, contemporary look that's perfect for a clean and modern bathroom renovation. Or you could do something more rustic or elegant by going with stone or marble tiles. Stone has been so popular for kitchen renovations lately because it adds such a natural touch, so it's not surprising that it would look great in your bathrooms too. This bathroom uses white marble tiles to create a clean and bright backsplash. Plus, marble is pretty resistant to water, so you don't have to worry about the humidity in your shower causing any damage. You could even use reclaimed wood as a backsplash if you're going for an outdoorsy or rustic theme. If you go this route though, make sure there are no gaps between the planks of wood or else they can become homes for mold and bacteria. Another way to add personality into your bathroom is by incorporating a backsplash that reflects your personality or has sentimental meaning. For example, maybe your dad used to fix cars in the garage and you've inherited his tools. Then you could mount some of them on the wall behind your bathroom sink for a unique twist. Or if you have kids, how about mounting their drawings on the backsplash so you can admire their art when you brush your teeth? You can even use tiles, paint or paper. Just look around the house to see what materials will work best with your space. A really popular material right now is stainless steel. It's sleek and modern but also pretty hard-wearing, so it'll last in your bathroom. Plus, that shiny surface makes it easy to clean up any water splashes. Choose a color that complements the tiles and other colors in the room. In most cases, you'll want to use a darker material in your bathroom because light colors could make the space look smaller and brighter. However, you always have the option of choosing white or another bright color if that works better for your design. For example, this dark-colored stainless steel backsplash still looks nice and modern even though it's a lighter color. But even though lighter colors can make a room look brighter, it's still important to make sure the color you choose really matches with the other elements in the room. If you're looking to use stone, it's important to stick with lighter hues so the dark grout doesn't stand out too much against the natural color of the tiles. This is Naha from Decor Shows again. Thanks for watching. So what do you think? Do you want to give one of these designs a try in your own bathroom? If so, leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We've got lots more videos coming to your way soon. Bye.